Just like our bodies, our skin is affected by stress, poor diet, environmental aggressors, and travel, causing it to become sensitive. Sensitivity weakens the skin's defense system and forces it to become imbalanced. Its protective barrier breaks down and allows aggressors to enter, resulting in redness, irritation, excessive dryness, and flakiness. Now Ahava introduces the latest innovation in skincare, Comforting Cream Sensitive Skin Relief. Paraben-free Comforting Cream is specially formulated with calming Dead Sea mud and tomato fruit and narcissus bulb extracts for an immediate soothing and anti-inflammatory treatment. Ahava's patented Osmoter, flaxseed oil, corn extract, and vitamin E work to moisturize, strengthen the skin, and protect against damage. Clinical tests show that 84% felt an improvement in their skin's comfort and level of hydration immediately. Redness, sensitivity, and irritation will become a thing of the past.
The product felt very hydrating and soothing when I first applied it. My skin feels like silk.
My skin looked even-toned. I usually have redness around my nose and my chin area, and it seems to take it away.
Comforting Cream is for everyone. Isn't it time you gave your skin the TLC it truly deserves? Comforting Cream.